Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best eyebrow scissors is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any woman's beauty arsenal, capable of transforming unruly brows into perfectly sculpted frames that enhance your facial features and boost your confidence with every precise snip, making them an indispensable item for achieving a polished and put-together look effortlessly. Number 5. Kitsch Dermaplane Razor, Terracotta. Achieve smoother, brighter skin with our gentle Dermaplane razors. They are designed to effectively remove peach fuzz and dead skin cells. These versatile razors are perfect for shaping eyebrows and dermaplaning your entire face. Get a salon-smooth finish in the comfort of your home. Experience a comfortable and safe hair removal process. Our razors are crafted to be gentle, minimizing irritation for all skin types. Reveal a radiant complexion with immediate results. You'll notice a significant difference in skin texture after just one use. This convenient pack includes 12 razors, ensuring you always have a fresh one ready. It's an economical choice for maintaining your skincare routine. Suitable for both women and men, these razors offer a simple solution for facial hair removal and exfoliation. Enjoy a cleaner, smoother feel. What we like? If you're looking for a way to achieve smoother skin and gently exfoliate your face, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to remove peach fuzz and dead skin cells easily. Consider this if you desire a radiant complexion with minimal effort. What people say. The scissors are very sharp and precise, making it easy to trim eyebrows without cutting too much. The curved blades are designed to follow the natural shape of the eyebrow, allowing for a clean and accurate trim. The small size and lightweight design make them comfortable to hold and maneuver for detailed work. Number 4. TsMADDTs Eyebrow Tweezer Set. Achieve perfectly shaped eyebrows and flawless grooming with our professional stainless steel tweezers. Designed for both men and women, these tools offer unparalleled precision for all your beauty needs. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this set ensures durability and hygiene. Experience the difference that premium materials make in your daily routine. Beyond eyebrows, these versatile tools are perfect for removing splinters and ingrown hairs. They are an essential addition to any personal care kit. The included curved scissor allows for precise trimming and detailing. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Invest in your appearance with this comprehensive grooming set. It provides the accuracy and quality you need for a polished look every day. What we like? For those who need precise grooming, this set is ideal. It's designed for detailed work like removing splinters and ingrown hairs, as well as shaping eyebrows. If you value accuracy and quality materials for all your hair removal needs, this is the choice for you. What people say. These scissors are very sharp and precise, making it easy to trim eyebrows without cutting too much. The curved blades are designed to follow the natural shape of the eyebrow, allowing for accurate shaping. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these scissors are durable and resistant to rust. Number 3. iMethod Microblading Eyebrow Pen, Light Brown. Achieve perfectly natural, hair-like brows with our innovative microblading pen. Its dual-ended design offers ultimate precision for a flawless finish. Experience the magic of a 2-in-1 tool. One end features a unique 4-fork tip for realistic strokes, while the other has a precise brush for seamless blending. The fork tip applicator mimics the look of real eyebrow hairs, allowing you to fill in sparse areas or create a fuller look with ease. Enjoy beautiful brows that last from morning to night. This formula is designed for smudge-proof, all-day wear without fading. Designed specifically for women, this eyebrow pencil is your secret weapon for effortlessly defined and natural-looking eyebrows. The light brown shade is ideal for a soft, natural look, complementing a wide range of hair colors. What we like? If you're aiming for natural-looking brows that last all day, this pen is a game-changer. Its unique fork tip creates realistic hair strokes, making it perfect for filling in sparse areas. Choose this if you want effortless, defined brows that stay put from morning to night. What people say. The scissors are sharp and precise, making it easy to trim eyebrows without cutting too much. The curved blades are designed to follow the natural shape of the eyebrow, allowing for a clean and accurate trim. They come with a protective cap, which is great for storage and travel, ensuring the blades stay sharp and safe. Number 2. Tweezerman Eyebrow Shaping Scissors and Brush. Achieve perfectly shaped eyebrows with ease. This tool is designed for precise trimming and shaping, giving you salon-quality results at home. Its ultra-thin blades are custom-made to precisely trim individual brow hairs. Get the clean lines and definition you desire. The integrated brush features thick nylon bristles to easily groom your brows into place. Achieve a natural, feathered look effortlessly. The small body and finger loop design provide excellent control during use. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity and easy cleaning. First, brush your brows upwards to see which hairs need trimming. Then, use the precision tips to cut one hair at a time for accuracy. Finish by brushing again to perfect the shape. These scissors are sharp, so handle them with care. To maintain them, clean the scissors with soap and water or alcohol, and wipe or wash the brush clean. What we like. This tool is perfect for anyone who wants to precisely trim and shape their eyebrows at home. The ultra-thin blades offer accuracy for one hair at a time trimming, and the included brush helps with shaping. If you desire professional-looking brows with a tool designed for optimal control, this is your go-to. What people say. The precision tip allows for very accurate trimming of eyebrow hairs. These scissors are sharp and make it easy to get a clean cut without pulling. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, making them easy to maneuver. Number 1. TsMADDTs 8-Piece Eyebrow Kit. Introducing the TsMADDTs 8-Piece Eyebrow Kit, your all-in-one solution for perfect brows and facial hair removal. This comprehensive set has everything you need for precise grooming. Crafted from surgical-grade stainless steel, these precision tools ensure sharp, aligned tips for effortless hair plucking. They are designed to precisely grip even the finest hairs, minimizing discomfort. This kit includes various tweezers for different needs, along with a trimmer, scissors, razor, and brush. It's perfect for shaping eyebrows, removing facial hair, ingrown hairs, and splinters. The included eyebrow scissors and trimmer help maintain neat, well-shaped eyebrows and facial hair. The dual-sided brush ensures your brows are always tidy and clean. The eyebrow razor features a safe, removable blade and a protective net for skin safety. Everything is conveniently stored in a lightweight, portable case, ideal for home or travel. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This essential grooming kit makes a perfect present for Mother's Day, birthdays, or any special occasion. Give the gift of effortless beauty. What we like. If you're looking for a complete solution for all your eyebrow and facial hair grooming needs, this kit is unbeatable. It includes everything from precision tweezers to a razor and scissors, all in a convenient case. This is the perfect gift or personal set for anyone who values versatility and portability in their beauty tools. What people say. The scissors are very sharp and precise, making it easy to trim eyebrows without cutting too much. The curved blades are designed to follow the natural shape of the eyebrows, allowing for accurate shaping. They are made of high-quality stainless steel, which ensures durability and resistance to rust. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.